Hello, this is typing.com. This here is an online learning as to how to type. This is an intermediate. I can just push start. It'll show me a little video on what we are getting ready to learn.
Hello there. Get ready to boost your type.
Sorry about that.
Asking yourself, why should I?
And then it will tell me why I should learn to type and different things. If I don't need to watch the whole video, I can skip the video. It'll show me where exactly to put my fingers and where to type. And then we'll push enter to begin. And it'll tell me just to start typing. And I got done with that one. Then we can go back and do it again. Oops. And it'll show me my accuracy and my speed and different things like that. And we just continue. And we continue through these different obstacles or lessons to when the student gets better. And then it tells me my speed was 12 words per minute at a 76% accuracy. This one I like because it shows me where my fingers should be, how I should be doing it, my accuracy, my space bar, my thumbs, where all my fingers should be. So now I'm going to learn how to use the space bar. Shows me to put my thumbs there, and to use my space, my finger hit another button, and I just continue through the lesson.